Namaste students. I am going to explain calendar control in this video. First, calendar control is used to display calendar on the screen. We can display calendar with calendar control. In the toolbox, there is one control calendar. I am double clicking on this control and we can see here one calendar on the screen. You can also use calendar control as a date picker. If you want to select any date, then you can use calendar control at that time. Like if you want to enter birth date, then with calendar control you can enter date, month and year in particular control or text box. So we will select value from calendar control and can enter in text box and display in that text box. It also allows you to move forward and backward through months, years and days. We can change year, month and date. Calendar control displays a single month of the year at a time and allows users to move forward and backward from month to month and select one or more dates. With calendar control, you can select multiple days. That there is not only available to select a single day, but you can also select multiple dates with calendar control, and also you can backward and forward month and year as your requirement. With calendar control, you can also select a range of days if multiple selection is allowed. As I already told that you can select multiple dates. If multiple selection from the property that is allowed, then you can select it. Otherwise it is not possible to select multiple days. So with calendar control you can select date, month, year, weekday and year day. Same is also you can select hour, minute and second. You can also select current date or today's date. So we can select date and time with calendar control. By default, calendar control shows you the current month and current date when you when you run program and select calendar control. But by setting different properties, you can change the default view of calendar control. આપણે default view એનો જે આવે છે એ ચેન્જ કરી શકીએ છીએ એની properties change કરીને. Yes, there are many special properties in the calendar control. We can set properties in two ways. One is design time. That one is we can set that design time property from property window, and also we can set properties at runtime. That one is in .cs file. If we want to set properties at runtime, then we need to write it here. Now, which properties are special properties? First I am taking that special properties. First next one is caption. You can set caption here. So I set one caption property here, and caption align, that one is bottom, top, left and right. By default not set, that means it will display in the center. Cell padding and cell spacing, like I am giving cell spacing here, and cell padding. Okay, so this is the effect of cell spacing and cell padding. By default cell padding is 2 and cell spacing is 0. Day header style, you can set day header style. Okay, first time in before day header style, first time taking here back color. Okay, so back color is changed. Same as border color, you can set border color from here. So border color is set. Border style, I am setting solid, so border style is set now. Border width, I am giving 5 to the border width. Okay, this property is for wall calendar. Okay, for wall calendar. Now I am taking next property, day header style. I am changing now its back color, so only Sunday, Monday, Tuesday up to Saturday on that particular line it will show that effect. Back color, border color, border color. We need to also change one more property with it. Border width, I am setting it here now 5, or better to set 2. Then border style, I am using here dashed. So this all properties for day header style. Same as font property, we can set also font here, like bold, italic, overline, underline, strikeout, its size and its name, like I am setting here Arial black. So this all properties is used for day header style. Now next one, day name format. By default there is short. Now I am selecting full, or first letter, or first 2 letter, depends our requirement, we can set here. Then next one is day style. I am setting back color here, color. We can set border color from here. With that we need to set border width. Okay, same we can apply CSS style sheet with CSS class here. Then same for font property again, and for color property. With for color property we can set font color. Then height, horizontal align. By default it is in the center, but we can set left, right, justify and center. Vertical align, top, middle and bottom. Here we cannot see the effect of it. Now I increase size of calendar control. Now we can see effect, top, middle and bottom. Width we can set here. Then wrap for day style. Then next one is enable property, true and false. We already used in other control, so I'm not taking it here. Then one more property, first day of week, allows you to select first day of week through first day of week option. This property you can select default or specific day as first day of week. તમારો ફર્સ્ટ ડે જે છે એ કયો સેટ કરાવડાવો છે? બાય ડિફોલ્ટ ઇટ ઇઝ સન્ડે, બટ વિથ દેટ with this property we can set Monday, Tuesday or any other day of your calendar control, that first day of week. Next one, font property for wall calendar effect, for color for again wall calendar effect, height. Then next month text. નેક્સ્ટ મંથ જે છે એની ટેક્સ્ટ આપણે ત્યાં શું રાખવી છે? અત્યારના જે આપણને ગ્રેટર દેન એરો આવે છે, આ રીતનો એક એરો આવે છે, અહીંયા આ રીતના સ્પેશિયલ કેરેક્ટર એડ કરાવડાવેલો છે, એનાથી આપણે આ ટેક્સ્ટ ઓર આપણે એક સિમ્બોલ કહીએ કે એ જોઈ શકીએ છીએ. સો તમારે કોઈ ટેક્સ્ટ લખવી છે, નેક્સ્ટ એવું આપવું છે કે મંથ આપવું છે, તો એ તમે અહીંયાથી અપ્લાય કરી શકો છો. Here one more option is there, next previous format તમારે કઈ રાખવી છે? allows you to set or get the format of next and previous month. You can set next previous format in three ways. First one is custom text. Here we have seen output of custom text. Second one, full month, and third one is short month, showing you first short month. So here current month is September, next month is October and previous month is August. So in short it is displaying. And full month, I am selecting full month, then August and October. I am running this program now. October. Now next month effect November, then December. Okay, so next previous month format, then next previous month style. એની સ્ટાઇલ આપણે શું રાખવી છે, એનો કલર શું રાખવો છે, આ બધી જ પ્રોપર્ટી અગેન આપણે અહીંયાથી સેટ કરાવડાવી શકશું એની સ્ટાઇલની. Then next one is other month day style, means currently September month is showing, so September month first date to 30 date, this is current month. But what about this 30 and 31 of August and 1 to 10 of October? So that are other month day. So I am changing its back color, so we can see its effect, other month day style. Same we can now set border color, border style, border width, CSS font, for color, height, horizontal align, vertical align, width and wrap. All this property same. Now same as next month text. Now here previous month text, we can set previous month text here. If I am setting custom text, then selected date, by default selected date કઈ તમને શો થાય જ્યારે આપણે પ્રોગ્રામ રન કરાવડાવીએ can set that, and returns the collection of selected dates. Remember that if you want to select multiple dates at a time, you need to set selection mode property of calendar control. So now I am taking next one is selection mode. At this time here day, first I am running program. I will show effect of this property. Currently I am selecting this month, one value, one date. So at that time I can select only one value, right? Currently I can select only day, but now I am selecting here day week. Control S and refresh here. Now I am selecting from here. I can select whole week. Whole week. Yes, of course you can select single date also, but with this you can select whole week. And third option is day, week, month. Control S to save and refresh here. Now one more option is there. Now I am selecting whole month here. Okay, I am selecting whole month. Now October, selecting whole month. Then selected day style. Currently we have seen that gray color was showing that for current or selection day style, we can change its style from here. Now show grid line true and false. At this time color effect is there, so we cannot see clearly grid line, but it's showing grid line. Show day header. If you don't want to show, then select false. Select week text. If you want to select week, then greater than sign is showing, or you can set its text from here. Then selection style, જે આપણે સિલેક્ટ કરીશું એની સ્ટાઇલ શું રાખવી છે એ આપણે અહીંયાથી સેટ કરાવડાવી શકશું. Show title true or false. I am selecting at this time false. You can see the effect. Title style, today day style. Current day showing, today's day, date showing. Okay, next one, tooltip already completed, visible completed, visible date, and weekend day style. આ બધી આપણે સ્ટાઇલ અહીંયાથી સેટ કરાવડાવી શકીએ છીએ. So all these properties are useful to set calendar style. Okay, now we will continue program in next video. Thank you.